Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. How you all doing? Hope everybody doing good. Miss JENITA is back. I am back. Well, guess what? Yesterday on the news, I heard Governor Newsom has declared the state of California an emergency because of the monkeypox. The monkeypox is oozing, dripping, draining, oozing everywhere in California. They're trying to get enough vaccine out here to take care of these people. Get them some centers where they can go and get tested, whatever, checked, and give them the necessary things they need to treat themselves, take care of themselves. I did not know the monkeypox was so dangerous you could die from it also. Besides those nasty sores, like I'm telling y'all, I'm wearing gloves. I don't care. I seen this video the other day. This family went to a water park. And I'm just thinking, I bet somebody had the monkeypox in that water. And can you imagine all those people in that same infested pool with oozy, drain, and dripping? Oh, monkeypox juice all in the pool. They say you even have the same, if you got on somebody's bed sheets and stuff that's being contaminated, you catch it from all that stuff, touching stuff. That's why I say I gotta put some gloves on, because the juice could be left on people coming there in the grocery store. They got the oozing juice on them, and they leave it smeared across fruits, veggies, meats, packages. Can you imagine? Yes, you can. You got imagination. Everybody has one, I guess. I hope you can imagine all these horrible things happening in your community too. Now, that's something for you preppers y'all need to be talking about. Besides all this nuclear war, people being disintegrated last week that's still here today, including the prepper that spread the news. Unbelievable. Ridiculous. But they getting clicks and views. People are actually watching. And then they're telling them, you know, some of these preppers have merchandise, like they sell survival foods and merchandise, and their method to their madness is to get these people to buy some of their shit, okay? And then while they screaming, oh, in the end, you need this, you need that, get this bug out bag, get this right here, get this toilet, get this, and that's the dude that's selling it. Watch out for the scams, y'all. Now, I'm talking, y'all just check it out for yourself, because in my comment section, I tell you some things I say is alleged, okay? So, hey, but you can check it for yourself. Some of these folks sell merchandise. So why not scare people so they can have a good life, live good, kick back next to the beach, click on the barbecue pit, while they get these big fat YouTube checks. YouTube don't mind, because hey, they getting paid too. Like that thanks word y'all see on my channel and other people that are monetized, that thanks, and then you can donate. YouTube get some of that money. Then they got this thing where they talking about a store. I guess y'all sell stuff and YouTube will get some of that money. Unless y'all, you know, you do it private sales. People just do it that way. But I hope y'all come through and y'all visit my crafting channel and my gardening channel. I'm doing things over there. I finally got my gardening plant stand I ordered. Boy, was I surprised when I seen the size of the box compared to the picture. these, these people give me every time. I believe Amazon, whoever does it, they blow up the shit. And by the time you get it, it's the size of a pea. Boy, now that is some marketing skills, right? Clever, y'all. That's clever. Just like these preppers when they trying to get y'all to buy their shit. They blow everything up, demand it, because, hey, I was suckered in. I got stuff. Now this recession, because they saying ain't nobody buying the stuff. Ain't nobody buying that because everything costs so much. They laying off people by the dozens. And then I heard in the state of California, they saying since the inflation in some law 2 years ago, allegedly, I think if I'm taking it out of context, they said in California, the landlords can raise the rent as much as 10%. Can you believe that? Y'all ain't gonna see Miss Janita in here. Y'all see this background? Y'all ain't gonna see this because Miss Janita gonna be living in a car. Hey, can't nobody afford. Did you know how high rent is in California? A single, what they call them, bachelor pads is $2,500, and that's the bachelor pad. This ain't no 1, 2, 3 bedroom. Rent is ridiculous. And then some folks, you know, you having a hard time trying to find some place where you can afford to stay. And then they saying with this recession, people could lose their homes and stuff. If you losing your job, you losing a whole lot more than just your job. Because if you ain't got the funds to pay these bills. My light bill went up to $100. They didn't raise stuff on the electric bill. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Well, let me think. I'm going to turn the camera and share with y'all my little meal I'm going to eat this morning. And I done shared my cares on, goings-ons, and what's happening today. Hoping y'all, anybody, anyone, somebody. Hey, family, friends, and loved ones. Welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for coming in here and supporting me regardless. Because, you know, I'm going to speak my mind. I'm going to give my opinion and share the facts. Did y'all know it was some black Karens? Do y'all know black folks can be just as mean and hateful and evil as anyone else? Whoa. Facts. Where you getting all this information? Reading articles, news articles, stuff that's on social media. All this stuff is alleged until proven. But yeah, later on today, I'm going to be in my crafting area, sharing some more crafts, because that's where I get relief. But hey, I got so much. I got all these old stuff to shred up. I got lots to do, because I know my time here is short. And I ain't going to be here for I don't know how much longer. And I got to shred up paper, continue throwing stuff away. And in the meanwhile, on my breaks, I'll be crafting and dabbling in a little gardening. And on here, talking crap and sharing my goings-ons and what's happening with y'all. Whoever listening, hey, how y'all doing? You feeling good? Y'all keeping all of the spirit boosters in y'all prayers? Are you doing that? That's good. That's good. I'm glad to know that. But other than, we still waiting on our check. I've been reading a lot of news articles about a whole bunch of states giving out money. Stimulus checks coming. Now, they said that the Social Security check, I don't know. I think this is a bill that they haven't passed with that $200 extra. Why are they tripping with the old? I mean, y'all know it's the Republicans. They in trouble with the veterans because they reneged on the veterans. They supposed to have passed some law for the veterans to get some medical service. Why they don't want to give people that fought in the war medical insurance and pay for their stuff and take care of these people that went to the war? That don't sound right. Nothing sound right these days. Nothing sound right. But They say some Republicans who voted yes, now they saying no, and they got those people sleeping on the veterans sleeping on the doorstep over there at the Capitol, and they just are pissed at these folks. They saying people sick, they could be suicide, all this alleged. I don't know if it's true, but this is what's in the news. Have y'all heard about what's going on with the veterans? You already know about all these other laws. I told y'all, the Democrats doing their job. They have passed laws on the women's right for the birth control thing, the abortion thing. It's sitting on the Senate's desk with Mitch McConnell, because hey, they got a new election coming up, and they say all the Republicans need is one senator to take back over the Senate. Like they really need that. Okay? Like they ain't already running stuff. So what is the deal? They already running it. Because if they wasn't running it, the civil rights law would be passed. George Floyd, the veterans, all this stuff would be passed in flying colors. Come on. Don't y'all be discouraged about the Democrats. They are doing their job. They have done it. They have passed several laws. And it's sitting in the Senate, and Mitch McConnell won't approve it. Because yes, Democrats would let these things be done. So now we're going to see what happened with this new voting thing that's going to be happening in a few, where they're going to see if the Republicans take over everything. And I don't know, y'all, if that happened, everybody better stay in their prayers, because hey, you think it's crazy now. They got people still talking about Trump is president, and talking about when it's time for the vote for the president, they going to have laws where they just going to make it their business to pick and choose who they want, even though the people say they want something else. The people that's in the office that's running the stuff, these are Republicans. They gonna say they gonna pick and choose who they want in office. This ain't no democracy. This is some BS, y'all. This is the America we live in. It's going down in flames and ashes. We'll soon be all somewhere, up or down. Gonna wear myself to death, just like on here. Ain't gonna wear myself to death. I come on here, do my thing, and carry on with my business, live my best life. Take care of myself, enjoy whatever I'm gonna be enjoying. When I get through with my business on here, I got my other business. I come in here for my guests, my visitors, look-and-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, checking in on me. How you doing? If you want to hit that donation button, go ahead on, because I know YouTube would appreciate it, because they getting some of the cut. Okay, y'all. I'm going to turn this camera around and share with y'all my little breakfast snack. And then I got to see what else I'm going to eat later on today. I have shared my cares on, goings on, what's happening in my area and more. And hopefully y'all got something to share yourself. Talk about it, because it's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. It's spirit boosting time. Okay, I'm going to turn this camera on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, spirit boosters. This is my morning meal. My bacon, cucumber, my scrambled eggs, tomato, and what else? I got some, let's call it, my fruit is my sausage. Imagine that. So this is what I'm snacking on this morning. My my afternoon meal gonna be some meatloaf with lettuce, I guess. And then, I don't know. Eating this way, I eat what I eat, and I'm still losing weight. It's just what I'm eating. I might have some broiled chicken. And yes, I'm going to use a teaspoon of my Thousand Island dressing, like I told y'all. I do use a little mustard too. And if I want, I can sprinkle some turmeric on here. But it's all good, as long as I'm feeling better. And yes, I am feeling better. That's the whole point in losing weight, getting all this ton of weight off of me. Boy, it's crazy. Wow, never mind. This is not my first rodeo. And like I said, every time I would go on a diet, a different way of eating, I last 6 months. But this time, I must last forever, or I ain't gonna be around. I can't go back to eating the way I was eating. Large fry. This my large fry now. But it's good though. What's missing, I have to give me some celery. And that's the last of my nectarines. Oh, I let me show y'all. I let my little tomato, from my garden ripen up for a few days. I'm about to eat it too. It's about to be gone. Yes, it is. It's softening up. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay in survival mode. Watch out for the prepper craziness. And if you're in California, remember we're in a state of emergency. The monkeypox juice is oozing, running, dripping, draining everywhere. And I ain't going to nobody's water park, swimming pool. And I am definitely wearing gloves when I go in the store because, hey, this stuff is contagious. Pus, ooze, ugh. And like I told y'all in the previous video, some people are evil, mean, and hateful, and they'll just try and do stuff on purpose. Because when the COVID came out, they had people licking on the dang meat packs and stuff in the store, the vegetables. They were arrested. This happened a while. I don't know if y'all heard about that, but hey, people do crazy stuff because they don't care. They don't have no good spirit. They don't have a spirit at all. Demonic. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay in survival mode. Until next time, it's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.